Level up your English with AnkiDroid Flashcards. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be diving into a super useful tool for improving your English language skills. It's called AnkiDroid Flashcards. This tool can greatly aid you in your journey of mastering English collocations, making learning much more fun and interactive. Before we delve into the app, let's quickly understand what collocations are. They are essentially words that often go together. These could be verb-noun combinations, adjective-noun, or even adverb-adjective. Knowing these pairs and groups of words can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Now, moving on to AnkiDroid Flashcards. It's a mobile application that uses the concept of spaced repetition to help you memorize new information, in our case, English collocations. The app is simple, customizable, and its algorithm ensures that you review words just at the right time to cement them in your long-term memory. Let's break down how to use this amazing tool for collocation practice. Step 1. First, you download the app from your mobile app store. Step 2. After installation, you create your own deck, or you can import decks that are shared by others. These decks contain flashcards, which are pairs of front and back sides. The front side contains a prompt, like an English word or phrase, and the back side contains the answer, like a collocation partner or definition. Step 3. You then review the flashcards in your deck. If you get a card correct, it will show up less frequently. But if you get it wrong, the app will show it more often. This spaced repetition system helps you to focus on the collocations that are hardest for you. To get the most out of AnkiDroid Flashcards, try these tips. Use imagery. Incorporate images into your flashcards to make them more memorable. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Make sure to review your flashcards regularly to fully benefit from the spaced repetition system. Personalize your decks. Make your flashcards personally meaningful. If a collocation or phrase is relevant to your life, you're more likely to remember it. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found this introduction to AnkiDroid Flashcards helpful and are excited to give it a try. Remember, mastering English collocations will take you one step closer to speaking English like a native. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!